favorite places.
All right, let me get a bag.
Yeah, hold on, let me turn my headset on. Probably would help. Oh, okay.
And we're gonna hot right in. Grab all these goodies. Look at this. Are those cooking pans? Are they any good? Is that a new pillow? Look at that.
Oh, it's too bad it rained.
Thanks for watching. Thanks to watching the Cray Fam. I know how to clean all of this good stuff up.
Yeah, credit to them.
Look at this. Blankets. Brand new blankets. And it barely has any paint on it, actually. Look at that. Just that little spot. I'm going to bag that up. They put so much in here. More blankets. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have a lot of cleaning to do. Brand new blankets. Oh look, here goes the
Thanks for them. Oh.
bags for them. Even better. Alright. They're twin blankets too. Twin size. Alright, we're gonna set that aside. What is this? Is this a airbed?
It's an airbed? It's an air mattress?
Airbed. It doesn't look like they destroyed it. It looks like everything's in here actually. What's this? Seam sealer for it? Yeah. Everything's in there. So we're gonna take that. Look at this pillow. Oh. I'm not gonna take that because it's at the very bottom, so it's like really dirty.
Yeah.
They threw out more curtains and stuff. Like candy things. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. What is this right here? Oh, they cut the cord on it. Looks like another humidifier. They've been throwing a lot of these. What is this? Is this a heated blanket? Oh, they cut the cord. Look.
Oh.
Yeah. They know what they're doing here. They know what we're looking for. Oh, look at this scale. Look at that. Glass scale. It looks like it's just got some little stuff on it to clean off. That looks nice. I wonder if it turns on.
It says batteries.
How do you turn it on though? Okay, we'll have to take it home and see. Maybe the battery's got to get changed in it. Alright, we'll check and see if it works. Clean it up. Add that to the pile. What else do we have in here? Did they break it? Oh look! Is it in good condition? Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
I don't think they broke the frames. No.
No, none of the frames are intact. All frames are intact.
All we gotta do is just clean that off. Alright. What else is this? Oh, new pans. Oh my
Is that a steamer? Is that another steamer? Yeah.
This back here?
No.
Trash can.
Yeah, trash can. Is that a bong? What's that? Oh no. I was like, gonna say, what? Why are they throwing this back here?
For cooking oil. What is this? Oh, look at those pillowcases. That's nice. Alright. What is this in the bag? Toilet brush and canister. So that's the canister into the cart.
Come on, let's
Not too interested in that.
Yeah. What else do you see?
Random pants.
Do a quick sweep.
What's in here? Shower curtain.
What's that? What's that back there?
There's this rug.
No, what's that back there?
This right here?
No, that bag down there. Where?
This one?
No, all the way to the wall. Down. You're still skipping everything over it. Down.
This one?
No, at the wall right there behind your right hand.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Is that the trash? Oh, no.
Makeup.
That's what I was saying.
Oh, bunch of M&Ms. Look, they threw out another shower head. Oh, look, here goes the thing for it. Score. New shower head.
You know we never installed the other one.
I know. I'm not sure what these are. They look like storage bins, maybe? I don't know. Did you want to get those?
Nah.
What's this? It looks like one of those...
dustpans or something, right?
Oh, yeah. It is. Broom and dustpan. Oh, what's this? Quartz cut. Not sure. Looks like a fan or something.
Yeah, it's a fan.
Alright. Pile. Oh, they shattered.
Yeah, you just make sure you're careful.
Yeah. What is this?
Alright, the camera's getting wet, so.
Okay. This connects to something. This goes to something. Because look.
Yeah. Alright, guys. It's raining out here, so, and I don't have a protector for my camera, so I'm gonna turn off the camera for a bit. And I'll see you guys at the next location, okay? Alright, so we went to this.
Look at him. There he goes.
To this dumpster. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a raccoon.
Gosh,
look at him. He is just going.
Look at. Oh, he's gonna fall. He's gonna fall.
There was a raccoon inside of there.
Nope, he did it.
And he's going. Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so.
Okay, you think it's safe to go?
No, I don't think so. Because it looks like there's another one. Or he might be waiting. He's just waiting. Yep, he's just waiting. Look at him. Just sitting there waiting inside of this.
Where'd he go?
He's in the middle one.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. All right,
You want to go? I don't know. Come on.
We're going to probably get out of here.
Okay, just watch him. I'm going to go and open
You're
the
gonna
thing.
go and go open it.
Yeah, just watch him.
So I gotta
Turn the headlights off, though.
Why would I turn the headlights off?
You got to come out the car. Why are you going to sit there? Come on.
Alright, so we are at this one. There's a raccoon right over there. Hold on, I'm sorry guys.
He might have been in here eating his birthday cake.
He probably was.
It doesn't look like they put anything else in here, too.
Alright, come on. I don't do raccoons if y'all don't notice. Yup. It's still there.
Look, it's here. Is this it?
Hey, come on for that thing, come back and try to. Shit.
No, let's put it.
Alright, come on.
It's here. Wait. Is it?
Alright, guys, I'm trying. If you guys see it,
Okay.
you know.
Yeah, let's go.
We're gonna
before he
leave.
comes back.
Because I think that thing's gonna come right back. Alright, guys. We'll catch you at the next location.
Hopefully no raccoons.
Yeah, hopefully no raccoons at this one.
Alright, guys, we're here at GameStop. As you can see, looks like we have a bag here. Yep, bag of trash right here. All these gift cards and stuff are from the previous night before. But let's see what we have here. These are the gift cards that I was talking about that they threw away. That was in here, all these iTunes and stuff. It looks like this is the new bag of trash because I didn't see this here last time. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of gift cards. And I don't know if that's a bag over there or what. We got an Xbox box over there. Is this zoomed in? Let me see. Okay, that's what I thought it was zoomed in. There we go. Now you can like see everything. Alright, let's see what's in here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out. I'm gonna hop in. Alright, he's gonna hop in and see. Careful. It doesn't look like much of anything because this right here is the new bag of stuff. And he's checking this out right here. Is that another bag of GameStops?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's GameStop.
It's more trash, but it doesn't look like we found anything.
Oh, yeah. What's these?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. All those brand new gift cards, but I don't know. They probably
work.
like, yeah.
I don't think they work until you
Cancel them out. Alright, and then I think this right here is Staples, maybe. Yeah, I see the printer paper. Huh? That was there yesterday. They made a mess like that. GameStop just tossed it out. Yeah, this looks like or no, this might be the bank actually. Yep, this is Whispers Bank. Look, you wanted to see what the bank throws out? There you go. That's a whole bunch of little receipts and crap. I don't even think they throw anything out in here. Yeah, let's ride around to Hallmark. That's the banks. What is this? Is this Staples? This is David's Bridal. For sure. And I don't think they throw anything out. That's all they sell is dresses. They throw out wedding dress bags. That's about it right there. What's that, Staples? And all we have is boxes in here. Yeah, a whole bunch of boxes. More likely they're empty. Alright, let's ride around the Hallmark. Okay, you guys, welcome back to the Sims Family YouTube channel.
Hey, how y'all doing?
And we are here with our haul for tonight. So as you can see, we have lots of really good stuff. I feel like it was a smaller haul than what we usually get, but we got some really awesome stuff. So we're gonna start off with giving you guys one of our codes for the Pokemon game. So make sure you use that. And we're going to start up in the corner, in the left corner, because we had some really good finds from Bed Bath & Beyond and Five Below.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. The footage cut off last night. Well, my battery died, and I wasn't able to, put a new one in because I left it here, but...
Yeah, because we visited a couple stores afterwards.
Yeah.
Just trying to fill up the car. So... Firstly, what we have here is this deluxe aero bed. I tell you this was their display, but it looks fairly brand new. Basically, you plug it in and it has one. This is like so useful, and I'm surprised they didn't cut the cord on it. But as you can see, it comes with the package of everything it needs to, if it gets a hole, to seal it back up. All that stuff, Eureka, steam sealer. But basically you plug it in and it's like right here, one button to blow it up. So that's like really cool because a lot of the other air beds you have to use a pump and all that other stuff. So this one is a twin size and it goes for $100 retail. We also have this poop emoji pillow. I'm working on getting this cleaned off. It looks like they put like some type of slime on it. So It's giving me a little bit of trouble, but I have to take the time and patience to do that. So this is what we got from Barnes & Noble, this Play-Doh set. We decided to go back over there today. We go to the location that is near the mall, and luckily they dump out a lot of stuff. So we got these magazines from Barnes & Noble. We also got these 2 lunch pails, which are retail $14.95. This we scored from TJ Maxx. So we finally found a TJ Maxx location that dumps, and this is what was in there, along with that little Frozen Princess garden set that we'll go over as well. All these books we scored from Barnes & Noble, you guys. Another great haul from them. They also have these pins there. Those are like the pins that, you see mounted down at like an office or something. Yeah, that's what those are.
Yeah.
So before we continue, we'll give away one more code for you guys, all you Pokemon fans. There you go. There you go. Enjoy that.
Yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys.
Yes, you guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, so that way you can stay up to date with our newest uploads. Okay, guys. So continuing with the haul that we got from Barnes & Noble. This is really, really cute. This is one of those like old time like journals that you could like write in and stuff. Really cute. Retail $7.98. This right here, I believe it's one of those lamps that you attach to the book for whenever you're like reading at nighttime. That's what I think it is. I don't know. Might not be that at all.
That. Actually, I think it's a
replacement bulb, maybe. I don't know.
It's like a night light.
Okay, you guys. So this was the most awesomest find that we got at Barnes & Noble. This is one of those 3D printing pens, and this is actually the demo. Not sure why they would throw away a whole freaking demo, and whenever we looked it up online, this retails for $130, and it comes all in here. This is the little, I guess, the practice drawing mat that they had out on display, and I think these are the ink pens. Yeah, that's what it looks like, the ink cartridges.
Yeah.
Yep. So these are the little ink cartridges
I wonder
with
if they're
it.
full.
They fill. This one feels really full, like all the way to the top. But these, yeah, these feel like halfway full. This one feels really, really full. And here is the pen. So I can't wait to give this a go. We haven't even tried it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it works.
Oh, shoot, you guys. This is the most awesome find of the night. Like, I swear. I don't know. This will probably go down with our top find. I would say our next top find would be the $50 Amazon gift card that we found in the GameStop trash.
And then the 3 phones that we found also.
Yeah, and then the 3 phones will be our third most awesome find. Also over here we got more journals. This little toy thingy is from Five Below. It's like one of those little, you make it walk or whatever. More journals from Barnes & Noble. This right here was from TJ Maxx. It was like retails for $10. It's a little garden set. Our daughter will probably like it, more than likely. We also got a pot from Bed Bath & Beyond. We got a brand new shower head again from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is our second one. And we got this really awesome, huge freaking picture frame that's really big. It looks like a piece is broken right here. But it kind of looks like it was made like that. Like, But I don't know. We could glue it together. It's not nothing too, drastic. We also scored this Star Wars puzzle from Barnes & Noble. Along with that goo over there we got from, what was that, Five Below?
Yeah, I believe that was Five Below.
Oh, and the scale.
And we also got a scale, which actually, it works, but I believe the battery is dead because we found one battery and put in it with another, I guess with the old one. And it came on and lit up for a little bit, but...
So I think the only problem is we just need to put some new batteries in, and it should be up and working. But as you can see, they spray painted it like how they usually do all their other stuff. So yeah. Then you guys, inside of this bag right here, I was digging around, as you guys seen in the video, looking for all the pieces to this power washer is what this is. It's a Hurricane Spin Scrubber Power Washer. And it is brand new. All they did was, you know, put their infamous paint on everything. But I made sure I grabbed all the pieces to that. I even have the cord, which thankfully they did not cut. I didn't see this, but we scored some measuring cups.
I didn't even see
randomly. That. And also, guys, let me bring this bag over here. These are the blankets that we scored. Ugh. This is what they look like right here. And they just put some paint on here, which I am going to get to work and remove this. I also have the pet bed to remove. I have the scale and the blow-up mattress. So I have a lot of work to do, but once I get these finished, it's going to be beautiful and they're going to be back to being brand new. So that is it for our haul for tonight, you guys. We had a lot of fun dumpster diving, and we're also going to give you guys 2 more Pokemon codes for tonight. But yeah, you guys, we really enjoyed ourselves. We found a lot of great items, as you guys can see. It was really worth the haul and taking the time to go out there. And we really hope you guys are enjoying our videos. Make sure that you hit that like button and be sure to comment down below and feel free to subscribe so that way you can stay up to date. And 1 more code before we go, you guys. So we want to wish you guys all a good morning, and we'll see you guys in a whole nother video. So peace out, YouTube.
All right, see you guys.